free, girl. Won't you open up your mind? Come run away with me, girl. I swear I'll treat you kind. Step inside and fill your glass with wine. Tell me everything that's on your mind. Spark the fire, stove the wood inside. Cobble Hill is where I go to hide. And you know you're in a good place when all your friends are coming by. Yes, you know you're in the right place when the outlaw music plays all night. Leaves are falling off the tree outside. Deep creek winds are blowing cold tonight. Sea of lights beneath this river view, yeah. Shining lights of love on me and you. And you know you're in a good place when all your friends are coming by. Yes, you know you're in the right place when the rebel music plays all night. Yes, you know you're in a good place when all your friends are coming by. Yes, you know you're in the right place when the outlaw music plays all night. Tell me, are you really free, girl? Won't you open up your mind? Come run away with me, girl. I swear I'll blow your mind. Hey, girl. Hey, girl.
And that was a disgraceful performance, in my opinion. We threw that game. We gave it away by doing that. We gave them the friggin' game. In my opinion, that sucked. What's that? Playoffs? Don't talk about it. Playoffs? You kidding me? Playoffs? I just hope we can win a game.
Two-side Wednesday. Down at the kicker you get a T-bone, but I ain't hit the brakes in 3 long days. I got a Slim Jim and a piss jar, 2 cans of Red Bull. Charlie, I'm ready to ride, blowing past mile marker 85. Out on Martin Luther King Drive, Continental breakfast starts at 6. It's a clean shot straight to Del Rio. If I can find a truck stop quick, crystal dances at the trailer hitch where they serve the beer ice cold. You can buzz on over to the Church of God, hit your knees and say a prayer. Priest up there screaming like Jay Hawkins and preaching like Professor Longhair. Ain't hit the brakes in 3 long days. No, I ain't hit the brakes in 3 long days. I got a Slim Jim and a piss jar, 2 cans of Red Bull. Charlie, I'm ready to ride, rolling past mile mark 85. Two-side Wednesday. Down at the Kicker you get a T-bone, but I ain't hit the brakes in 3 days. It's an old highway I'm running down, cold shoulders, gravel and granite. Not everyone knows how lost you get out here. Me and Charlie, we understand it. Yeah, me and Charlie, we understand it.
Beautiful. Happy Sunday, everybody. This is Mr. Tom Hambridge, Nova Sessions, me and Charlie. You know the Grammys came out this week? This is the top blues album as far as I'm concerned. Yeah, he does play the drums, produces Buddy Guy, which is up there, which is all great and stuff, but Mr. Tom Hambridge, you rock, Nova Sessions. Let's carry on with my buddy Peter V, the Blues Train. He's coming on Whomagoo next Sunday at 11 a.m. by the river. Thanks, my friend.
There's a place where the river takes you to the wine, where the only thing you have is time. Show me yours so I can show you mine. Ooh, baby, loving you's no pickup line. Kiss me, baby. Oh, kiss me, baby. Show you good time. Well, take my hand and share this love so divine. Let's enjoy the journey. Who knows what we'll find? Sipping my tequila, you sip your wine. Let's take it all on, eat the grapes and suck the lime. passion is insane. Kisses so deep I can't be blamed. Let me stay out of sight. Let me feel you under the moonlight. Wrap your arms around me, not just for tonight. Be more than just a memory. Baby, hear my plight. Kiss me, baby. Oh, kiss me, baby. I'll show you a good time. Yeah, let's take it down by the river, baby. I'll show you a good time. Down by the river, baby. Drink some wine by the river.
Hey, what's happening? This is Dre from Never Wonder, and you're listening to The Whomagoo Show.
My buddy Jason Roberts, Stone Stanley. So glad. Thanks, Jason. You fit the mood for the Packer victory today. Grind it out. Love it. Cobble Hill starting the show off. Thanks, buddy.
I see the dark times come, I see them go. I see the light at the end of my tunnel. I feel the wind of hatred blowing strong. I gotta lay it down in my song, 'cause I'm so glad, yes I'm